Today, I want to share a story that carries a powerful message. One that has the potential to transform your habits, reshape your routines, and ultimately change your life. In the late 1990s, a public health worker named Stephen Luby left his hometown of Omaha, Nebraska, and landed in Karachi, Pakistan, one of the most densely populated and challenging environments in the world. Over 60% of Karachi's population lived in slums, without clean water, sanitation, or even basic hygiene. Diseases ran rampant, especially among children. But what if I told you that a single small habit, a simple action done consistently, reduced diarrhea by 52%, pneumonia by 48%, and bacterial skin infections by 35%? That habit was hand washing. Now here's the twist. People already knew hand washing was important. The challenge wasn't awareness. The real problem? Inconsistency. Luby and his team partnered with Procter & Gamble to introduce Safeguard soap, a product that lathered well, smelled pleasant, and turned a boring task into a satisfying experience. The moment soap became enjoyable, hand washing became habitual. And even years after the study ended, over 95% of families continued the habit. Without reminders, without free soap. That, my friends, is the cardinal rule of behavior change. What is immediately rewarded is repeated. What is immediately punished is avoided. Pushpin, if this resonates with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more life-changing lessons. Why do we keep scrolling through social media for hours, but struggle to stick to a new workout plan? Why do we choose fast food over cooking a healthy meal? The answer lies in the mismatch between our ancient brains and our modern world. We evolved in what scientists call an immediate return environment, where every action brought instant results, food, safety, or shelter. But today, we live in a delayed return environment. Exercise now, get fit months later. Save money today, retire decades from now. The problem? Our brains still crave instant gratification. This is why good habits are so hard to stick with. Their rewards are far away. And bad habits? Their rewards, like comfort, taste, or ease, are immediate. Our brain always chooses what feels good now. So what do? Do we fight human nature? No. We work with it. The trick is to make good habits immediately satisfying. Let's say you want to save money. Every time you skip a lat, transfer 200 rupee to a travel fund. Skip eating out? Move 500 rupee to your dream vacation account. Now, instead of just resisting temptation, you're watching your goal grow visibly, satisfyingly. A couple who wanted to stop dining out did this. Every time they cooked at home, they transferred 1000 rupee to a trip to Europe fund. By year's end, they were walking through the streets of Paris. This is the power of reinforcement. In the early stages, it keeps your motivation alive while the long-term rewards slowly build up. Bust in silhouette if this strategy sounds useful. Hit that like button and share it with someone trying to build better habits too. But let me give you a gentle warning. Choose your rewards wisely. They should align with your identity and goals. If you reward a workout with ice cream, you're sending mixed signals. Instead, reward it with a relaxing bath or a guilt-free hour of your favorite show. You're telling yourself, this version of me takes care of their body and gets to unwind too. Eventually, something magical happens. You no longer need the external reward. The act itself becomes the reward. You don't go for a run to earn a smoothie. You run because you are a runner. You don't save money to buy something. You save because you are financially wise. At that point, your identity sustains your habit. Remember this. Change is easy when it's enjoyable. The 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying work together to help you perform a habit now and repeat it tomorrow. But it's the final law, make it satisfying, that makes your habit stick. So let's update the rule once more. What is immediately rewarded is repeated. What is immediately punished is avoided. And the best part? You don't need to wait years to feel good about progress. You can design your habits to feel good right now. So as you walk away today, don't just plan to build good habits. Design them to feel great. A splash of minty freshness in your toothpaste. A visible 500 rupees in your savings app. A calendar checkmark for every workout. That feeling of a job well done is what teaches your brain, let's do that again. Pushpin, if you're serious about transforming your habits and your life, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe right now. And remember, success is not a goal to reach, it's a habit to repeat. Thank you.